Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So I have this amazing haul because I found beautiful products that on Spellbinders website. They had actually it's over now, but they had this amazing sales because they are moving. It's a moving sale, and they had products for $1 and for $2 and for $3 and for $5 and for $10. It was awesome. I got all these things for just $30. So let me walk you through what I got. That I was so excited to use these things. First of all, this is called Craft Flower 6. It's a beautiful set. I cannot wait to craft with this. So let me show you what are the included. Let me put them on with the white background. You can easily see it. You get these tons of ideas. All the tiny parts of the flower that you can craft with. So amazing. It's called Craft Flower 6. Awesome. I'll give the prices. This discount is over now. The sale is over now, but I'll link to these products below. And then I got this as well. So many flower sets. This is called Daisy. This is to create this beautiful daisy. It's awesome. Let me show you again the parts of the dies. You have this flower. They have smaller flower, and these are the leaves for both of them. It's centers of the flower. You can make each on its own, or you can put them on each other, making layers. So multiple option. A beautiful wreath. It's just awesome. And I have, oh, by the way, I saw the monthly craft kit. They were for $10. This is impossible. I cannot wait to craft with this to make a beautiful journal. It's called Camping. Awesome. This is the biggest die cut. Very beautiful. It's a big tent. You can see it here. I don't know if it shows. It's nice. It's a nice size. And you have these background trees, 2 trees, and you have this moon and crescent actually, and star set. And this is a lantern. It's beautiful. I like their color. It's very unique. The color of the dies themselves. And then I got this. I felt that this is gonna be amazing. A beautiful rack of potions or bottles. Oh, this is called Camping. I told you about that. Yeah, this is called bottles. I think it's gonna be amazing with the potion and or a rack of bottles and a kitchen cabinet. It's very nice. It's a nice set. I love that as well. I got things for 1 and 2 and 3. I don't remember which is which. I'm gonna put them, but I told you the sale is over anyways. So I get 4 shapes and sizes of these bottles. The round one, the big one with this beautiful angle, and this is another angle but smaller, and this is the round rectangle. And you get 2 kinds of lids or caps. It's very nice. So you can layer behind each other. It's gonna look awesome. You can mix and match with the bottle top. Beautiful. They call it cap. Yeah. Nice. And this is, I was thinking about when I play with this camping set and I make my camping journal. I was thinking about putting this on the side, on the same page, on the other side. It's called Weekend Grill. I was thinking to put them together. I don't know if it makes sense or not. I like the idea. I bought them together so I can. But it's a beautiful set. It's called Weekend Grill. You can make a grill of any color you like. It has this layering. This one and this. And this is the cover for the grill. So you can see here. And this comes with this beautiful bottle. Very nice. Utensils for the grilling utensil barbecue set. Very cute. I'm in love with this grill part. Once I make any journal using these sets, I'm gonna definitely put it on my channel. I'll just finish this first. This is another set that I think they can go all together. From the look of them, I think so, but I'm not sure. Once I start, I'll figure out. I think all of these can go together. All these 3 sets. Anyway, look at the beautiful details. I don't know if it shows or not because of the light. Look at this. It is amazing because it's gonna cut the outer frame of the flower. It's not gonna just cut the whole flower. And that is gonna cut these details. Each petal has these 2 parts on top, 3 parts actually on top of each other, and then the center. And you have 2 parts of each leaf. And over here you will get 3 parts of each leaf. Just awesome. Look at the details. Beautiful. And then the last set, I don't know if it's gonna look nice or not. I don't know if it's gonna be helpful or not. But I cannot wait because I was disappointed with something. Not disappointed, I was like had different expectations for the set. This set. Anyways, this is called Sketched Bloom. I told you about the last one. It's called Bottles. Yeah, this is Sketched Blooms 2. Probably there is 1. Beautiful set. So this is the one I was telling you about. I had different expectations. I thought that these are robots. Okay, it's called robots. So I thought that it cuts small parts of the robot and I can build it on top of to create the robot, but it actually cuts only the outline of the robot. This is the only one that it cuts the internal void part here. The others, it just cuts the outline. It does score the eyes and parts of the chest area. It does score it, but it's not that vivid. But over here they say that you can emboss and stencil. So if you put this on the paper and then you can use it as a stencil to make use of all these cut parts. But I actually thought that these are different parts that I can create my journal with, sticking them on top of each other, making a layered robot. I thought I'll change the colors of the cardstock I use, but it's okay. It's not. It's a beautiful set still. So you get these 3 kinds of robots. Let me remove this for you. We have these 3 different shapes of robots and 3 different legs. You can mix and match 3 different legs and 3 sets of arms, square ones, and you have these round hands, and these are ovalish like cups, sort of claws. It's a claw. But they're nice. I like it still. I think it's just $1, so it's amazing. Can't believe that I'll ever buy a $1 set of dies. Beautiful. So this is pretty much it. All my treasure of this Spellbinders sales. I got many other stuff because it was my birthday gift. So I got everybody to get me crafty things. They just spoiled me. So I'm gonna make more and more videos of all my complete treasure set for my birthday. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.